Hi, and welcome to my channel, fellow crafters. Let's see how to organize our supplies, whether we have large stamps, small stamps, stamps in covers, regular size stamps, or wide set stamps. So let's get started. There are several ways to do this. One way that you can store large stamps is by just using a basket that I got from Michael's, and it holds your pocket stamps as well as these tall stamps. But I really don't like the look of this, so let me show you what I decided to do. Instead of having to spend money on a pocket sleeve for each one of these, or having to buy another fridge container and have more storage space, I think using a binder to store these stamps in, because these binder page protectors are 8.5 by 11, so they accommodate a lot of sizes, and I've just put a sheet of paper in between each of the stamp sets. I think it helps really pop, and using this binder makes it easy too, just to look through your stamps. So you can see that you can use pocket size stamps. You can have plenty of room to put in long stamps. You have room to put in wide stamps, tall stamps. It's just absolutely a wonderful way, and you can organize it in folders by themes or by companies, however you wish. Another way that I do my smaller stamp sets is by placing them in this fridge container. I learned this from Jennifer McGuire, and then I made these slips and decided recently to put them by stamp company in my stamp set. And it's like a library because I can just flip through and pull out the stamp that I want and look at them. Pull out and look at what I want to stamp with. You could also choose to organize your stamps by themes, and that's what I had done before. And here are the themes that I had used. But I decided that since I wanted to start using my stamp sets together more, I would organize them by company because they normally coordinate very well together. But this is a personal preference. I find organizing my stamps in these two different ways not only saves me space, but makes it easy to find my supplies. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks, and happy organizing!